Hi guys, you are watching Hyper Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can earn money from the AI, and it is pretty much simple. Many people are earning a lot of money from AI, so don't waste your time. Come on and sit onto the computer and start your earning. So first of all, what we are going to do that we are going to create a simple tool that will convert Word into PDF or Excel into PDF. I have already write the script in this simple human language. Please create a simple website for me by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Use all free resources. You should mention you use all free resources because it may use some resources that needs to be purchased. So you have to mention this keyword mandatory into the ChatGPT that use all free resources, and that website have ability to convert Excel file into the PDF. Should have file upload button as well. So I will simply copy it. This video is very important because in this video I will also deploy the tool in front of you so the public can access that tool and your visitors can be increased. So you have to copy it. Then you have to click, paste, and then hit enter. So code has been ready for you. You can see that. Just you have to copy. Just you have to copy it. You have to come onto the desktop. You have to create a file. You have to paste here. Go into the save as. Click onto the desktop, select all files, and then you have to give it the name. The file is ready in front of you. You can see that if I click on it, so I have a file through which I can upload the Excel file, and simply I can convert my Excel file. So the program is ready and you can upload the Excel file and just press the convert button and it will be converted. So it is operational on local. Now we have to deploy it so the public can access my tool. You can give more commands because I have created a simple script. You can give number of lines script to the ChatGPT and create attractive tool. You can include JPG, you can include MP3, you can include video converters, you can include each and everything. Means it's like a C. It's an open platform, so you can whatever in your mind you can put it over there and earn money. So now I'm going to this website is currently in my local system. Now I'm going to deploy it in front of you so the public can access it. So I have to click onto the, let's say, subdomain. Now I have created one subdomain. Let's say I'm just giving a simple name. Obviously you have to deploy that tool onto the main domain, or you have to create attractive subdomain. So just I'm typing the Apple, then I'm going to create it. You can see that subdomain has been created. Now I'm going to copy it. Now I have to go into the DNS manager because I have to point that subdomain. I have to select a record because I'm going to point this domain. I have to select my hosting IP. Then I have to update this DNS record. So you can see that DNS record has been updated. So all is good. Now I have to move on to the file manager. In a single video, I have created a tool in front of you, and I am also going to deploy it in front of you. So it's very important video. So I have to click onto the file manager. Then I have to click onto the public HTML. Then I have to find Apple. Then I have to upload. Upload. The file has been uploaded. Now I have to open this as a user. Suppose I am sitting in any country, I am sitting anywhere, I can access this tool. So apple dot bnb cloud services.com/html, and you can see that see the magic. Now my tool is ready for the public use, and most importantly, anybody from anywhere can access my tool. See the magic. So this is a very important video, and once you created a tool, spread your link onto the social media, SEO your website, apply full efforts in order to increase the visitors. Once the visitor reaches to the maximum level, or you have a visitor of 2 to 3,000 per day, means people are interested to access your tool, you can apply the subscription and you can get a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Start your career from today, and it's a simple idea. You can create more complicated tool if you have something in your mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Forward to your family, friends. Thank you.